Hi there, this is the Forex Training Prof reporting on the August 3rd with a summary of the trades on August 2nd and August 3rd. On August 2nd, we had the retail sales. I wanted to go short on the Aussie US dollar, but I did not get an entry, so I'm not going to talk about that. Um, at 12:30, that's 12:30 a.m., we had an awesome trade on the Aussie JPY. We waited for the Reserve Bank of Australia's interest rate statement, and the knee-jerk reaction was to bid up the Aussie JPY. We took that opportunity to sell the Aussie JPY, and we made some decent change, about 50 pips. At one point, we had more than 60 pips, 65 pips. But we closed at a conservative level of just a 50 pip profit, since we had news in about 2 minutes from the time we actually closed it. I'll show you the trade in just a second. So I was looking at this particular chart on the Aussie JPY just before the news, and we had made several attempts to break the highs, but it had failed in all instances, and we were watching at two uh, two key highs um, as a double top, and we had significant lower highs after that. Price was just not penetrating up, and it had broken this resistance level. Um, as soon as the news was released that the Australian uh, Reserve Bank of Australia has not touched the interest rate and it has remained the same, there was a knee-jerk reaction to bid up the Australian dollar, because before that there was a sale in the Australian dollar. So it's like sell on the rumor, buy on the news kind of a deal. And we had a sell on the Aussie JPY. Why? Because this particular level was the support which had now turned resistance, and I thought that the market could perhaps turn around from here. And I placed an order to sell at 78, 73 with a 50 pip stop above these highs here, and with a 60 to 70 pip take profit. Let's see what happened. We got filled in very well, and the market went a little bit against us. Since this was at 12:30 a.m. EST, I could not babysit this trade, so I put on my stop loss and take profit, and had gone off to sleep. And when I did get up for the next trade, I did find some beautiful news. Uh, we were at 8 o'clock when I got up and I saw the trade. We were in some decent amount of money, but I kept the trade on, and I kept it on till 9:58 a.m. Now, why 9:58 is because at 10 o'clock we had another news which could be a potential market mover. So just before the market understands what that news is and reacts on that news, I wanted to be out of any position, and I got out at 78.20. That is at a 53 pip gain, less spread, so I made about 49 pips on this particular trade. So though if I had let it be, I could have very well achieved my 60 to 70 pip target. I think that we did a right decision of closing out of the trade. A lot of people in the room did make anywhere from 40 to 50 pips themselves. So I'm really proud of this trade. Thank you.